Hi everyone. Now let's see how magnets are used to find out directions. See, we know that there are some properties of magnets, right? We have seen certain properties of magnets. And one of the properties says that magnet always comes to rest in the same direction. And which two directions are these? They are north and south. So basically, we can say that magnet comes to rest in the same direction, that is north and south. Now this property of magnet is very useful for us. Okay, why? To find out the directions, because they come to rest in north and south only. Now see, it's said that in olden days, travelers used to find out directions by with the help of this feature of magnets. So what they used to do is they used to take this magnet with them, right? And they used to tie this magnet with a thread, and then whenever they go out, they used to suspend the this natural magnet, and then this natural magnet would settle in north south direction, and this is how they would find out the directions. So it is said that travelers used to find out these directions by suspending natural magnets with a thread which they always carried with them. Now, later on, they found out one device, and that device was known as, it is still known as compass. All right. So, this device, it looked like this. So, this device is known as compass, and this device is based on this property of magnet. All right. Which property we are talking about? To come to rest in the same direction, that is uh, north and south. Now, what is this compass? See, basically, this compass is usually a small box with a glass cover on it. So, this is a glass cover, transparent cover, okay? And this needle, this is magnetized needle. And this needle is pivoted inside. Pivoted means fixed inside the box. Now, this needle can rotate freely, right? Uh, this compass, this also has a dial, and there are these marks, or directions are marked on it, like this is east, west, then this is north, and this is south. If you can see this here, it is a little bit dark. Okay, this is darker than this one, right? So this is how we can know that, okay, this is north direction. And then when we know the north direction, accordingly we can say that this is south, and other directions can be found out, right? So this needle, it indicates the north-south direction when it comes to rest. See, what do they do is basically they rotate this compass until the north-south marked on it, on the dial are, this needle is fixed at this dial on this mark, that is north and south. So the compass is rotated until the north and south marked on the dial, this needle is fixed on this, so that they can identify the north pole of the magnetic needle, and south pole of the magnetic needle. And north pole is usually in a different color, right? So that it becomes easy for the person or for the traveler to find out the north direction. So this is how they used to find out, and we are still finding out using compass. So this property of magnet is very useful to us. So हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? हम बात कर रहे हैं finding out directions की. मैग्नेट के बहुत सारे प्रॉपर्टीज़ हमने देखे, उसमें से एक प्रॉपर्टी ऐसी थी कि जिसमें बताया गया कि मैग्नेट्स हमेशा दो डायरेक्शन, एक पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन में सेटल होते हैं, मतलब नॉर्थ और साउथ दिखाते हैं वो, ठीक है, क्योंकि उसके दो पोल्स होते हैं, नॉर्थ एंड साउथ. तो इस तरह से वो नॉर्थ साउथ डायरेक्शन में सेटल हो जाते हैं, और ये प्रॉपर्टी काफ़ी यूज़फुल है. क्यों? क्योंकि उससे हम डायरेक्शंस फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. काफ़ी पहले ज़माने में, मतलब काफ़ी पहले दिनों में ऐसा होता था कि ट्रैवलर्स ये डायरेक्शंस फाइंड आउट करने के लिए मैग्नेट का यूज़ करते थे. तब उनके पास ये डिवाइस नहीं होता था, तब वो नेचुरल मैग्नेट लेके घूमते थे विथ अ थ्रेड ऑन इट टाइड अराउंड इट, और फिर वो जब जब उनको डायरेक्शंस ढूंढनी होती थी तब वो उसको लूजली सस्पेंड करते थे ताकि उनको डायरेक्शंस का पता चले। फिर साइंटिस्ट ने इस प्रॉपर्टी को यूज करके एक डिवाइस बनाया, उस डिवाइस का नाम है कंपास। ऑलराइट, कंपास की हेल्प से अब ये जो कंपास होता है ये इस तरह से होता है। ओके, वो एक बॉक्स में होता है, ट्रांसपेरेंट कवर होता है, एक इसमें एक मैग्नेटिक नीडल होती है जो कि इट्स लाइक इसमें मैग्नेट होता है इसलिए वो नॉर्थ साउथ पे सेटल हो जाती है, और यहाँ पे उसको फिक्स किया जाता है और वो रोटेट कर सकती है ये नीडल फ्रीली, राइट। और इस तरह से इस पे मार्किंग्स के होते हैं डायरेक्शंस के, सो दैट हमें पता चले कि ये जो डार्कर पोर्शन है वो नॉर्थ पे सेटल हो रहा है और ये जो पोर्शन है वो साउथ पे सेटल हो रहा है, और इस तरह से ट्रैवलर्स डायरेक्शंस फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट फाइंडिंग डायरेक्शंस यूजिंग मैग्नेट।